It's a very scenic place, as you can see, and the staff come through here on their lunch breaks and they love it. They come down and they feel comfortable, they can sit and ponder and have a break from their day-to-day duties in the jail, which is really great.
Our centre is located in the central west of New South Wales and comprises of 196 minimum security offenders going towards the end of their sentence or doing short-term sentences. Our centre comprises 61 staff that are made up of all aspects of corrections. One of the great things that's unique to Kirkconnell Correctional Centre is our horticulture program, which is in conjunction with Orange TAFE. It's a great program, not only gives offenders real life skills, but it also reduces our dynamic security risks in letting offenders relax and not cause trouble for our staff.
In 2016 we had a couple of inmates here that created this cottage part of the garden, and the boss at the time could see that there was a good need for this and it could be improved, and so then we created the other structures basically out of scrap material from our own resources within the jail. In 2017 we had our first horticulture course through Orange TAFE, doing Certificate 2 in Horticulture, which is a basic course, but it gives them a start to hopefully a career in horticulture. That is in with conjunction with Orange TAFE. They come 1 day a week, and the students that are enrolled really thoroughly enjoy it. It's also led to inmates getting out of jail and to get a career within the horticulture, whether it be with a council or with a private landscaper. There is scope there where they can get post-release employment, so that's really good. Okay guys, today we're going to transplant these corn seedlings into the pots. I'll just demonstrate with one here. So we just get some new soil and just try to get them out individually without damaging the roots. Repeat that 6 times and then we'll give it a little bit of water and put it on the in the greenhouse shelf, and hopefully we'll see some movement.
I've been looking at doing education for quite a few years and I just haven't got around to it, but after participating in this TAFE course, it's opened my eyes. I realised that, yeah, I can do it. It's not as hard as I'd imagined it to be. Yeah, hopefully it's opened a few doors for me. It's good to get the opportunity to study, I suppose, rather than just sitting on your hands doing nothing. It's something that can help, perhaps, upon my release. I've worked on farms, done a bit of garden maintenance. It's good to be given the opportunity to do something rather than just sitting around doing nothing.
I've been doing the course, it's been unreal, it's been great. I've felt like I've got out of jail already, sort of thing. It's great for my mental health, great for my health in general, with the vegetables and stuff we grow. A lot of the time in custody you're spent behind walls, especially when you're first coming in. It's pretty daunting, it's pretty scary even. And then you come to a place like this and it's open, you don't even feel like you're in jail, and it makes a big difference. Plus the other health side of it, the nutrients and stuff you get from the vegetables, it makes the food a lot better. Like, you can't really complain, you're getting fed at the end of the day, but when you've got that extra stuff to put in you with it, it's really good, like fresh vegetables and that. And you take that for granted on the outside, but when you're in here, it's something very special.
This market garden is a great initiative from previous management and current management. It's been supported greatly. It gives the inmates a real sense of community. They get to grow not only flowers but a mixed combination of vegetables. The produce that we provide to the local community, to the local daffodil cancer cottage to brighten up their day. It's just a great initiative. The inmates put a lot of, as you can see and you will see, put a lot of effort into what they do here. They love what they do, and it gives them a broader sense of community, that they're contributing back to the community.
If we didn't receive these flowers from the correctional services out at Kirkconnell, we actually wouldn't really have many flowers in the waiting area. It'd just be generous patients to bring flowers in as a gift for us. So these flowers really are a talking point as well. Not only do they look good, they also have a beautiful fragrance, but it also starts a conversation with people. So everybody asks where they come from, because they're such wildflowers. They're not structured like they are from a florist at all. There's just these beautiful wildflowers in vases, and people ask where do they come from, and then we can tell them about the program out at Kirkconnell.